This Miele Classic C1 pure suction-bagged canister vacuum is a marvel of German engineering, designed to deliver powerful cleaning performance in a compact, lightweight package. From its versatile suction power to the innovative AirClean filtration system, this vacuum ensures a cleaner, healthier home environment. Its ability to glide seamlessly across hard floors and low-pile carpeting makes it an essential household appliance for anyone who values efficiency, durability, and ease of use. Why the Miele Classic C1 Pure Suction Vacuum stands out? Number 1. German engineering at its finest. Miele has long been synonymous with quality and durability, and the Classic C1 Pure Suction Vacuum is no exception. Built to last, this vacuum combines robust construction with advanced technology to deliver a seamless cleaning experience. Whether you're vacuuming delicate upholstery or stubborn debris on hardwood floors, this machine adapts effortlessly to your needs. Number 2. Exceptional suction power. One of the standout features of the Miele Classic C1 is its 6 adjustable suction settings. These allow you to customize the power based on the surface you're cleaning, ensuring optimal performance on hard floors, low-pile carpets, upholstery, curtains. This versatility makes the Classic C1 a one-stop solution for your entire home. Number 3. Maximum maneuverability. Cleaning tight spaces and navigating around furniture has never been easier. The vacuum's lightweight design and swivel wheels provide excellent maneuverability, allowing you to reach every corner of your home effortlessly. The ergonomic handle ensures that extended cleaning sessions remain comfortable, reducing strain on your hands and wrists. Key benefits at a glance. Powerful suction. 6 adjustable settings for different surfaces. Compact design, easy to store and transport. Advanced filtration. AirClean system ensures cleaner air after vacuuming. Included accessories, tools for crevices, upholstery, and more. Number 4. Revolutionary AirClean filtration system. The AirClean system is a game changer, consisting of 3 components. 1. Miele filter bag, traps dirt and dust particles securely. 2. Motor protection filter, ensures the vacuum's longevity. 3. AirClean exhaust filter, leaves the room air cleaner than before. For households with allergy sufferers or pets, this system ensures a healthier living environment by trapping allergens and fine particles effectively. Number 5. Comprehensive accessories. The Miele Classic C1 comes with a range of useful attachments, including SBD 365 3-combination floor head, ideal for both hard floors and low-pile carpets. Dusting brush, perfect for delicate surfaces. Crevice tool, reaches narrow spaces and corners. Upholstery tool, cleans fabric surfaces effectively. These attachments clip onto the vacuum for convenient access, making it easier to switch between tasks. Performance in real-life scenarios. The Miele Classic C1 excels in practical use. Its suction settings are particularly useful for homes with varied flooring. For instance, on hardwood floors, the vacuum picks up fine dust without scratching. On low-pile carpets, it extracts embedded dirt effortlessly. Users report that the vacuum's quiet operation is a welcome feature, allowing cleaning sessions without disturbing the household. Maintenance and durability. The Miele Classic C1 is designed for easy maintenance. The bagged system ensures hygienic disposal of dirt, while replacement bags and filters are readily available. Its durable construction guarantees years of reliable service, making it a valuable investment for your home. Who is this vacuum for? The Miele Classic C1 Pure Suction Bagged Canister Vacuum is perfect for homeowners with a mix of hard floors and low-pile carpets, allergy sufferers seeking a cleaner indoor environment, those who prioritize high-quality, long-lasting appliances. Conclusion: why you should choose the Miele Classic C1 vacuum. This Miele Classic C1 Pure Suction Bag Canister Vacuum combines superior cleaning performance with user-friendly features. From its powerful suction and advanced filtration system to its ergonomic design and versatile attachments, this vacuum delivers unmatched value for your investment. Whether you're tackling everyday messes or deep cleaning your home, the Classic C1 is a reliable partner that makes cleaning a breeze. Ready to elevate your cleaning routine? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.